single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, here we go. Bakit nga ba tayo bumibili ng motor? Siyempre para mapabilis ang biyahe, lalo na traffic, nang maiwasan na nasasayang ng mga oras. Para makalayo, paggala, tamhin ang ganda ng inang kalikasan. Para makatipid, dahil sa mahal ng gasolina, fuel, petrol, whatever, basta makatipid. At dahil dyan, siyempre, lahat ng brand ng mga motor ay walang tigil sa paglalabas ng makabagong modelo. Kalakip, makabagong teknolohiya. Para saan? Fuel efficiency. Para makatipid pa rin sa walang sawang abante ng presyo, hindi lamang sa usapang gasolina, kundi pati na rin sa lahat ng bilihin. Alright, heto na tayo ngayon. The all-new Yamaha SightFi just took up the game on its segment. It is air-cooled, 4-stroke, 2-valve, single overhead cam, single cylinder, and 114.4cc engine. Lubrication system or wet sump, maximum power for about 6.8 kilowatts at 7,000 RPM, and a maximum torque of 9.5 Nm at 5,500 RPM. Okay, for the outer features, it got a wheelbase of 1,235 mm, minimum ground clearance of 155 mm, seat height at 775 mm, and overall mass weight of 96 kg, with oil and full fuel tank na yun. Ignition system is transistorized electronic push start and also kickstart. Its capacity for fuel tank derives at 4 liters and 1 liter for its engine oil, and the most featured at its finest, it is fuel injected. Suspension. Front suspension is telescopic fork and already disc brake, while the rear suspension is swing arm type and dual shock absorber, but drum brake mechanical leading trailing. Okay, ganito yung aming paps and maps. If you have to take it in its proper context, there's a lot of feedbacks out there in saying that the rear suspension is not the kind of solid or yung tipong lapat at siguradong tindig na motorsiklo. Yung kay Sight kasi, iba eh. Kung mapapansin nyo, it feels like too swingy and sometimes talagang mag-gewak due to its stiffest springs. And I understand that when it's not accurate by the rider weight. It depends on how our driving lifestyle is. Well, for me and my own perception, I'm satisfied. Pero kung medyo nafe-feel mong hindi ka talaga komportable for the rear suspension, pwede ka naman magpalit ng suspension na akma sa lifestyle mo. Let's just say you're in heavy-duty everyday usage. You must consider it. The Yamaha Sight is a very efficient and good for everyday uses. It is very handy kasi nga sa gaan niya. You can easily maneuver it, and also we have to consider its handling position. Very reliable. Now that's the point. I think Yamaha decided to attach a suspension that is equal to the body weight build of the SightFi. Common sense for going to attach a suspension that is too stiffy like other modern units. Baka ang mangyari, feeling mo lagi kang nangangabayo sa sobrang tagtag, and that's very unsafe because you're not riding on your comfort zone. It's too bumpy. You know, avoid that uncertain time with your egg balls. Peace, yo. Fuel consumption. Yamaha Sight has competed last Petron Safe Run Fuel Economy Challenge 2018. And yes, that's why they got an average fuel consumption of 129 kpl for the champion, and as the most fuel efficient motorcycle ever since in the universe. Well, I traveled for about 285 kilometers, then I tried their claim, but this time, I'm not going to be in tipid mode. Besides, walwal mode tayo. And surprisingly, at the very last drop of my fuel, I got an average fuel consumption of 71.251 kpl. Take note, it's a full throttle condition long ride. And in normal mode, pa 60-60 ka lang, and I got an average fuel consumption of 85.336 kpl. Hanip, diba? Tipid. In my overall experience, if I'm gonna rate this bike, I think it's 8 out of 10. Yup, because some features I'm expecting on it didn't meet my satisfaction level. It was just for me, dude. Well, I'm not going to be a competitive one to others. Hindi na para makipagmabilisan o patipiran pa. Sight is a utilitarian bike na pang araw-araw. Well, if you want to travel further along, then go. There's no such thing with that. It doesn't even matter on how we ride and what motorcycle we are riding on. There's a lot of riders out there na makisig nga ang mga motor, bagsak naman ang attitude. I'm sorry for saying this to you, but it's true. Everyone must respect each other on the road, even if others are not. And before I forgot, kita-kita tayo soon for this upcoming Inside Racing Grand Prix, a race for history, starting November 23 up to 25. And I guess there will be a lot of cool stuffs right there, and a lot of discounts in different brands right there. See you soon, mark it on your calendar. Ipon lang ang katapat. And if you are not a subscriber, just please, kindly hit the subscribe button below and never hesitate to share it if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching. This is JMOTOVLOG Moto Feature. Ciao.